It's Sheena Lynette, your favorite holistic business coach here, and I'm back to share everything I just shared now for my English speaking audience. So, as usual, as you hop on here, give me a wave, a hi, hello. Let me know what city, state, or country you're watching me from, and no matter what venue you see this on later, YouTube, Instagram, or Facebook, hashtag replay to let me know that you came by. So, I have one last kit for you guys, and this is our Make a Shift Healthy Home Kit. Now, if you've been following me for a while, you know that I'm all about toxic-free living. And it is so important, guys, because I used to be sick for 3 months straight every winter. And I used to be riddled with allergies, head to toe, had to take 3 medications every single day just to survive my life. And I got rid of all that naturally. And one of the keys, there's many keys. Of course, the major key is eating right, making sure that you do your Zyto scans every 2 weeks. Eat what your body wants. Make sure that you're supplementing the way that your body wants by asking it specifically, not having to guess, by doing those scans on a regular basis. But another key was taking the toxins out of my life. I did not understand how the harsh chemicals in the cleaning products were damaging my skin and my respiratory system. Now, so if you are watching this, have you gotten sick in the past 4 years? From respiratory stuff and immune stuff, I haven't gotten anything, y'all. I've never believed so strongly in my immune system. And I know that part of the keys is this toxic-free living. So if you're on here and you already have a way to get this stuff, you can get it discounted on a different type of kit. But if you're here and you haven't started your toxic-free living journey, this is a great place for you to start. So Make a Shift Healthy Home. And that I just realized in the Spanish one, I forgot that we actually have some essential oils that comes with it. Thieves and lemon. So you can add those to your cleaning in order to give them some nice fresh scents. And you're also going to get in this kit our all-purpose household cleaner along with this amazing bottle so that you can mix it, because this lasts a really long time. In addition to that, you are also going to get Thieves dish soap. Again, so getting the chemicals out of your home are going to get that, make sure that your skin stays amazing because you're not putting harsh chemicals on it. You're also going to get the Thieves laundry soap. Once again, getting those harsh chemicals out of your home and not on your body by putting it on your clothes. And then you're going to get the kitchen and bath scrub. So that's what you're going to get in this amazing healthy home kit. So again, don't forget, say hi, wave, hello. I have tons of other just full, like 45-minute trainings, 45-minute classes that I've done in this. So if you want details of all the ingredients, how to use them, some recipes, and more information on why having toxic-free living and a extremely clean home is important, make sure you hit me up. And this is our third kit. I already talked about 2 of them, but this is one of our new kits for $112 only, and you can still get it for 10% off, right? So thank you guys for joining me, and I will chat with you soon. Bye.